Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be continuing my Python tutorial. In the last video I ran through what the input function and the print function are, and in this video I'll be running through what the built-in functions in Python are. So let's get right into it. What are built-in functions? Built-in functions are functions that Python has already stored or built within it. So I'm going to go open a browser and type in python.org. I'm going to click docs, use my current document, Python, type and my language. And then I'm going to click library reference and go into built-in functions. Now these are a lot of the built-in functions in Python. And some of them we could click on max. So what is the max function? The max function returns the largest item in an iterable or the largest of two or more arguments. So you could type in max, and then if you typed in two numbers, it would find the biggest out of those numbers. Now let's go into PyCharm and take this into example. So I'm going to go into Python console and type in max bracket, and I can type in that and that. So 986 and 987. Obviously 987 is bigger. If I click enter, it would come up with that. Now one more of the functions there was min. So if I go back, one of the functions there was min. And of course, if max means maximum, min would mean minimum. So let's go into PyCharm and use minimum as our question. So min 985 and maybe 1431. Of course, 985 is smaller, and that is what we get. So, as you can see, we've just used two of the functions, and we've also got the definitions of them using the library reference. You guys can go check out more of them and learn more of them, but that's for you guys to choose, and it's completely your choice. I'm also going to use one more piece of code, and this is called bulletins. So I can go dir, which also was in here, in the built-in functions. It's here. So without arguments, it returns the list of names in the current local scope. So basically, an easy definition would be the second one. With an argument, attempt to return a list of valid attributes for that object. So it's kind of like a directory, or so we can get, I'm just going to use it straight away, and you can see how it would be used. dir, and I'm going to use brackets, do two underscores, type in bulletins, and another two underscores. If I were to click enter, I get all of the Python built-in functions in here. So there's init, there's hash, there's doc, there's dir, as we saw before, class. There are many of them, and this you can also look at them from PyCharm. So now that we've gone through the deep explanation of what they are and what sources you can use to understand them, and also how you can get them, how you can be able to see them in PyCharm. So that's really it for today, guys. And if you have thank you for watching, and if you liked it, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any clarifications, please put them in the comments below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So, remember, if you guys want to learn more of the built-in functions, just go into the library reference. I'll put the link for the python.org in the in the description below. So, but if you guys want to go check it out and learn more of the built-in functions, you are welcome to do that. So till next time, this is me signing off.